In this video, we will learn how to remove a user from a group rule exclusion list. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin console. Navigate to Directory, and then Groups. From here, click All, and choose the group you are removing the user from. Click X next to the user you want to remove. Refresh the page to verify your changes. Navigate back to Groups, and then Rules. Click the arrow next to the group rule to verify the user is accepted. If you want to add a user back to the list, click on Actions and then Deactivate to deactivate the rule. Click Action again, then Edit, and click on the X next to the user you'll want to add back to the list. Select Save to save your changes and Activate to reactivate the list. Now you will go back to All and select the group, and you will see both users back on the list. You can also manually remove a user from the list by typing in the user to the Accept the Following Users bar. And that is how you remove a user from a group rule exclusion list. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.